So, hindi kasi po yung target ng program natin are the youth and adolescents. So, I draw a bata, just a comic strip, and the lights na balloon. Because in the eyes of our children or youth, they need clarity always. Di ba? Laging kailangan, hindi pwede bulk, kailangan may tao. Kasi, as a leader, tinitingnan tayo lagi, di ba, nagtatanong, ano, mama, what this, papa, what is this, or ano po. So, tayo ang mag-guide sa kanila kung ano ba dapat ang tamang impormasyon, especially in adolescent sexual reproductive health. Kasama po sa LG4 sila. So, as a leader, it is very important for us to be able to inform them the right choices, decisions in life. So ako po ulit, si Cindy Guerbo, makakasama niyo po sa 4 na araw. Part po ako ng team namin, and ako po ang Monitoring, Evaluation, and Learning Manager ng ZFF at UNFPA Partnerships. So years in service, 13 years po, 7 years in national government, then plus 30, minus 13. Minus 13 sa CFF ko, so NGO. So, it's my first time po sa Catanduanes and na Ilonggo, Bisaya po kasi nalipay ako sa lugar. Kaya sa Davao po, almost a month na ulan, Gagabi po, actually nag-brown out because of the thunderstorms. Pagdating ko dito, nandyan si Mr. Sun. So maganda yung ni Catanduanes. Welcome ni Catanduanes. So, kumain lang po kayo ha? Okay, enjoy po. Ayun, gusto po nga boy. Sige po.
Okay, good morning ulit. Yan. Ako po si Ella, ang GBBIE analyst ng UNFPA. So ako po yung madalas nyong makikita from UNFPA. Kasi I coordinate as GBBIE analyst. I am part of the humanitarian team ng UNFPA. So pag may mga response, andun po ako. And aside from that, I also coordinate other programs ng UNFPA, including the Spring Program. So, 18 years in service as social worker at 1 taon doon ay dito na sa UNFPA. So, last year lang. Okay? So, ito po yung symbol. Pagtatawanan ako nito ng 2 kong anak. Lighthouse po ito. Yan, because for me, leadership is like a lighthouse na steadfast, illuminating the way for others, for guidance, provides clarity, and lights the way forward with courage, wisdom, and faith. Yan.
Very good ang mga partners. Good morning, maupay, aga, maayong buntag. Again, good morning po. Thank you. So ako po pala si Armand Nathaniel Duque. Ako po yung assigned project associate ng Zwillig Family Foundation dito po sa Catanduanes. So maraming salamat sa mga areas na nag-attend po ngayon from Birac, Pandan, from the province of Catanduanes, and Caramuran. So thank you so much po. Also with our visitors right now, si RD Joyce. Thank you so much for coming, and the rest of the team, together with our partner from the UNFPA. So good morning everyone. Kay Cindy naman po is bata na may, ano yung balon? Balon na bulb. Kay Ma'am Ellen naman po ay lighthouse. Ako naman po ang magiging guide sa kanila. Compass. Because I think a leader means guiding others towards the right direction, and the leader helps people to make wise decisions, stay focused on goals, and supports the team throughout the challenges. So yun lamang po, and magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Thank you so much, Kuya Arman, Miss Ella, and Miss Cindy. We will proceed po dito with Ate Mikey.
Good morning everyone! Maupay nga aga po. Marahay na aldaw sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Mikey. Hello. Ako po si Mikey at naunahan ako sa seed. Kaya kumuha na lang ako ng mayon. Si-symbolize ko si mayon as my leadership symbol. Kasi si mayon po ay nagsisymbolize siya ng strength, ng resilience at purpose. And also, mayon sets the direction for Bicol region. Kaya para sa akin, ito ang leadership kasi ganoon dapat ang isang leader. Siya ay nagsisilbing strength at nagsisilbing direction sa kanyang subordinates or sa kanyang mga kapwa-leader o sa kanyang mga nasasakupan. My name is Mikey, the Provincial Associate Officer for Camarines Sur. Hindi pa ako nag-isang taon in ZFF, but I've been involved in community development since 2014. High school pa lang ako. And ito ang aking symbol. Thank you very much po.
Thank you, Ate Mikey. Dito naman po tayo sa next table. Gusto niyo mag-start?
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating snacks. Ang drawing ko is heart. So, meron na po kaninang nagsalita po about puso. Wala naman po akong alam na i-drawing. So, I keep it na lang. So, for me po, ang leadership is compassionate and kind. Meaning po, we all have the characteristics na, for example, we all have the characteristics na sinabi ninyo. But it's important that beneath that or around that, we are compassionate and kind so that kahit ano yung pagdaanan ng leadership natin, it may be up or down, we'll always be doing the right thing for us, for the people and the people that we serve. Ako po si Marian Guzman. Ako ay isang data analyst. So, position, data analyst. I've been with UNFPA in this position for 7 years. Nag-umpisa po ako na humanitarian data analyst. So, focus po sa data. Nagmamapa po ako ng mga affected areas. Ang lagi ko pong namamapa yung Verac kapag may typhoon. But first time ko pong makapunta dito, it was always a thought for me. Ano kaya ang itsura ng Verac? Knowing that it's going through a lot of disaster. And I'm glad to be here. It actually feels peaceful and it's homey. So, yung iniisip ko naman, hindi ganun sa ano pa ba yung last question? Sorry. After... Yun na yun. Okay. Thank you so much po. Ayan. Good morning! Ako po si Doc Dory Balanova. So, familiar po kayo sa akin na at siguro most of you nakita naman ako sa aming paglilibot ni Armand this past 2 months. So, ako po yung project director sa ZFF for our partnerships under UNFPA. Meron po kasi kaming 3 programa sa UNFPA partnership. So, yung isa is yung Expanded Youth Leadership and Governance Program sa Samar and Southern Leyte. At yung isa ay yung ating LG4 SIGLA. And another one, yung MISP for SRH. So, di ba yung iba sa inyo, nag-undergo na ng training on MISP. So, that's 3 programs under our partnership. Ako po ay nag-serve din po sa DOH before ako napunta sa ZFF. So, nagulat ako pagdating ko sa Karamuran. Naaalala ko ni Doktora, nagpang-abot pala kami sa Doctors to the Virus program dahil po ako ang batch 1. Kilala na ang edad pag nabanggit ang batch. So, ang ating pong symbol ay yung butterfly kasi pag butterfly, naiisip agad natin transformation. At para maging isang leader, marami ka rin dinadaanan. And usually, yung hardships na dinadaanan, yun talaga yung nagbibuild ng character mo as a leader. And also, yung leader transforms people and also systems. Kaya, butterfly po yung aking symbol. Thank you!
I've been a pediatrician for more than a decade. I am an adolescent medicine specialist for almost a decade. And I'm also in the development field for half a decade. Ayaw magsabi ng years. And for me, leadership symbol, actually hindi siya symbol kanina pero symbol daw. So ito na lang. So it's a long and winding road towards a safe home. So the idea is that a leader contributes in navigating challenges and successes of every member of the team, the institution or the agency that they represent, and they help pave the way to reach the goals. And it's not a straight line all the time. And as Dr. Dory mentioned, as a leader, you get to transform yourself. The same way that everyone who traverses the journey towards reaching the goal transforms so that they will be able to reach their goals. So, yun, good morning!
Good morning, everyone. Sa iyong pamilya, I'm Director Joyce de la Silvano po from the Commission on Population Development. I'm the Regional Director of CPD Region 5 since 2021. I've been in the service for 34 years. Nag-anniversary po ako noong June 5. 34 years in service na po, Lola. Bakit bigla kayo lumingon? Kasi po, I've been a working student kasi and I've been with the CPD hindi pa ako graduate. Nandun ako. So I rose from the ranks. And if you're gonna ask me ano yung symbol ko, maybe nire-recall ko na, I know, ang drawing ko was a soldier. Kasi I can come with a team, then collectively I can go alone. Basta the goal is, sabi nga ng boss ko, follower daw ako. But I can run with a team and I can run alone. Parang ganun ang journey. So as a leader, I know many times that you have to promote peace. But at the end of the day, kapag ilalaban mo about integrity, the policy, and uplifting the lives of Filipinos, minsan ilalaban mo what is right, even if it's an unpopular decision. So sabi nga, you're not, as a leader, you are not asking to be loved and liked, but you have to do what you need to do. So yun ang journey as a leader. So for the program, sabi nga nila, make the impossible possible to improve people's lives. So yun po. Good morning, everyone.
Thank you so much, Arlie Joyce, and thank you po for sharing your creative ideas, sharing your hearts, and it's nice to know na kahit iba-iba tayo ng leadership symbols and views in service and position.